Okay, for this particular problem, we have 45 numbers and it has a minimum of 12 and a maximum of 71. Determine the class boundaries using the 2K rule. And the first part, we want discrete values. So these are just your whole numbers. To think about discrete as like people. You don't have a decimal or fraction of a person. So we can go ahead and eliminate B and D. What we have to decide is how many classes we have. So 2 to the 5th would be 32. That's not big enough. 2 to the 6th is 64. So we would have 6 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our table. Okay, so let's look at the whiteboard. And I believe we had 71 minus, let's see, minus 12. And I've lost my pen, so I'm having to write with my finger right now. Divided by our number of classes, I think it was 6. So if we do that, we will get 9.8. So we're going to round that to 10. So our width is 10. So an easy way to do that is just go add 10 to each number here. And then a class width of 10 would be 12 plus 9 more numbers would make 10 numbers. So that would be 21, and then go by 10. 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. Okay, now for continuous, this is anything that can be measured using a decimal or a fraction. So it doesn't just include whole numbers. So it's going to look like, it's going to be continuous. It's going to include all numbers and decimals. So it's either going to be A or C. And we know we have 6 classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be the correct one. So here we want to include 12 to less than 22. And so what that does is that goes not only just to 21, but it goes to 21.5, 21.8, 21.9. So that's the difference between discrete and continuous. Discrete, it stops here at 21 and then picks back up at 22. But down here, it keeps going. It includes all numbers, even decimals, 21.99. And then it would start at 22. So we're not leaving out any decimals here. And then to less than 32. So the next one would be 32. 32, 42, 52, 62, and then over here, less than 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, and then 72. So the only difference is this is continuous and it includes all numbers and decimals from 12 all the way up to 71.9999. Let me know if you have any questions about that problem. That's usually students have the hardest part, trying to determine how to do discrete and how to do continuous. But either way, you still have to do the 2K rule and determine the class width. Let me know if you have any questions.